Hi everyone, welcome to TGIF, another Friday, another episode. This time we're going to focus on an important topic which is top of mind for many business users, which is personal productivity. As Microsoft, we announced that Power Automate Desktop automation utility will be made available free of cost for all Windows 10 Pro users. Let's find out more. Let's welcome Rishabh Gaur, who is an MTC technical architect, to talk us through the art of the possible using Power Automate Desktop utility. Rishabh, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you, Sandeep.
Awesome. Rishabh, we spoke about Power Automate Desktop. If I'm a business user, what does it really mean? How do I address my personal productivity using this automation utility?
Sandeep, the pace of business is accelerating and everybody out there is looking for ways to be more productive and drive faster time to value. Now, all too often what happens is busy work or the so-called repetitive manual time-consuming tasks, they consume the finite hours of each workday. And this is where Power Automate Desktop comes in. So Power Automate Desktop, it uses low-code RPA to give you time back for your more high-value work by automating the so-called busy work. So that is automating workflows across modern and legacy applications on your desktop by recording whatever you're trying to do.
Pretty much it's a no-code, I would assume.
Yes, absolutely.
Awesome. Now, if I'm a business user, if I have to get started, what next?
Sandeep, as you rightly said, it's more of a no-code. So basically what it gives you, it's very easy to start Power Automate Desktop today. All you need to do is it provides you with an intuitive drag and drop visual designer with more than 400 odd actions that run on your desktop. So all you need to do to actually get started is you go to flow.microsoft.com, and as you can see on the right hand side here, I have this install button, and here I can go ahead and install Power Automate Desktop for me. And the good part is it functions very much like macros work in your favorite Microsoft Office applications. So all you have to do is it has a recorder, it can go ahead and capture clicks, can capture mouse actions, as well as robust authoring experience to edit and modify the so-called recordings.
Awesome, Rishabh. So once I install it, I'm sure it will be a few easy steps more. So can you just take it through a small demo so that we can understand in terms of while I get started, what next?
Absolutely, Sandeep. I've already created this very small demo for you, so let me walk you through this.
Sure.
So in this particular case, what I have this Excel file which acts as my backend database where I have multiple records here. And what would happen in a traditional scenario is, a user would come in, he would actually look at this Excel file and he would manually enter these details into this typical UWP application that you see on the screen right now.
Right.
But what I can do is I can go ahead and automate this end-to-end task so that Power Automate Desktop can open this Excel file on a Monday morning. It will actually go through each and every record using this loop here. And what will happen is now it will automatically enter these details into my UWP application. So from a personal productivity front, this is a very repetitive, mundane task that I would have to do manually. Now I can completely rely on this workflow automation engine to do this.
Brilliant. So that means quick, easy steps, what you just said right now. No? So one is, of course, I identify a task which is perceived to be repetitive for me every single day. I use this tool to record the sequence of events which can be done without human intervention, right? Number two. And number three, once the recording is done, is a question of playing it whenever the task needs to be done. As simple as that, right?
Yes.
So quick question, Rishabh. We also have heard about this term called intelligent automation. I think you've spoken about this in the previous episodes of TGIF as well. So what if I have to bring in a bit of intelligence into my, I would say, automation lifecycle? Will Power Automate Desktop help me do that? Or should I resort to some other means to do that?
Sandeep, there are multiple ways to do this. If there are some predefined actions, so Power Automate Desktop also gives you that capability from Microsoft. All the cognitive APIs are already available within Power Automate Desktop. However, at times what users require is some sort of sophistication based on top of the cognitive APIs that are available. So for that, you have to use the online version of Power Automate, which is available for everybody at aka.ms Flow. So basically, it becomes an amalgamation of both the tools together in that particular case.
Wonderful. So I think some of the tasks which are perceived to be simple, mundane, repetitive, I automate at my own end. I don't need any tech intervention. As you rightly said, it's pretty much no code. I would say a bit more sophistication in terms of bringing intelligence into the loop. I think we switched to the online edition of the automation tool. Awesome. Wonderful, Rishabh. Thank you so much. That was very crisp. I think the demo was something which is absolutely apt for what we wanted to kind of convey today. So, and once again, for all viewers, happy learning and a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye-bye.